trouble. What's happening? There are so many gems underground, but we don't have the tools. The excavator can dig out all the gems. Can you help us? No problem. Excavator is on it. Digging, digging. And let's start digging. Woohoo! All the gems have been dug up. Thank you. It is just a piece of cake. Construction team, mission accomplished. The cart is rusty. Let's fix it. It's a dirty toolhead. Change it. It's a dirty toolhead. Change it. It's a dirty toolhead. Change it. My magic candies. I want to find it myself, but there are scary ghosts in the forest. Can you help me find the candies? No problem. Brave Kiki fears nothing. Thank you. Let me get you an adventure outfit. Abracadabra! Wow, what a cool outfit. Let's go explore. Look, there's a super flame here. Eat it, and it will light up more paths. Try Kiki to eat the super flame. Be careful, there are ghosts ahead. Avoid them, and don't let them hit you. Thank you, brave Kiki. Let me make you 2 Halloween gifts. Abracadabra! Wow, what beautiful decorations! The wings look great on the car. Let's continue our adventure. I do for you, little bear? I want to build a new house, but I don't have a crane. Can you help me build a house with a crane? No problem. I'll take care of it. The crane is ready. Let's go. Kids, which construction vehicle should we use here? Crane. Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house. Use the joystick to drag the materials to build the house. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. Let's decorate the house. This house is so beautiful. Thank you for your help. I have a new house now. You're welcome. Construction team, mission accomplished.